Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force (JMSDF) and Japan Coast Guard (JCG) should develop a shared maritime strategy and communicate Japan's intent in the Indo-Pacific region. As the JCG under the Ministry of Land and Transport rather than the Ministry of Defense remains focused on its law enforcement role, its strategy is ambiguous. Also, Japan's confidence building activities are rooted in an old fashioned idea not to pose a military threat. Japan must focus on protecting the sea lanes of communication and send a clear strategic message to the regional governments. Developing a shared maritime strategy will help sustain and increase the effectiveness of Japan's effort and also better deal with all contingencies from the high to the low. Japan must stop behaving like a good nation and become a thought leader for free and open Indo Pacific.